Want to combine multiple videos into one seamless clip all from your iPhone? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it using the free iMovie app. Whether you're making a vlog, a reel, or just organizing your footage, this is super easy. So let's get started. First, make sure iMovie is installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. It is available as a free download. Now open the iMovie app you have just downloaded. On the welcome screen, tap on Create Project and then select Movie. iMovie will now show you your photos and videos. Tap on the video clips you want to combine into a single clip. You can select multiple videos in order you want them to appear. Once selected, tap on the Create Movie button. You will now see your clips in the timeline. If needed, tap and hold a clip to move it around. You can also tap a clip to trim it, split it, or delete unnecessary parts. Between each clip, there's a small icon. That's the transition. Tap it to choose different effects like dissolve, slide, or none at all. This helps create a smooth flow between scenes. Once you're happy with the final video, tap Done in the top left corner. Then tap on the Share button. From the menu that appears, tap on Save or Share Video option. This will let you export the newly created video in the Photos app. You can also directly share it to YouTube, Instagram, or other apps. And that's it. You have now successfully combined multiple videos into a single clip using iMovie on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.